Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Holborn Road in New Kingston, St. Andrew Parish. We are driving in the Kingston 10 area. Turning off Holborn Road onto Renfrew Road. On the right is the R Hotel. Renfrew Road ends and we are turning back. Again, on the left is the R Hotel. We are back at Holborn Road. Going left will take you towards Dominica Drive and Chelsea Avenue. We have made a right towards Trafalgar Road. We are now at Trafalgar Road. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.